Welcome back, everybody. This is Resourceful Marcus. Okay, so in this video we're going to talk a little bit about a little bit of a road safety kit you could have in your vehicle. Alright, very simple. So I have one of these. Sorry for the shaky camera work, I'm by myself. I have one of these air pumps that you can buy. This one I bought a few years back at Canadian Tire. So this one, it hooks to your battery with the little alligator clips. Little alligator clips you hook your positive and your negative terminals. And in this one you can set the various tire pressure for it. Okay, I would recommend everybody has one of these in there, even when the weather's nice. Good to have. And along with, I'll show you in a moment. Sorry again for the shaky camera work, but that's how it is when you're a one-man show. Okay, set this back up here. Thanks for your patience, I appreciate it very much. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, share, subscribe if you want. Take what you like from this video. If you don't like anything from it, that's fine as well. So then I also keep this handy tire sealant. Get that at Canadian Tire. There's one called Green Slime. It's a little more pricey. This is the Victor one. I even use this sometimes when I'm if I'm bike riding far. I'll keep that with me in my backpack, along with a little foot pump that I have when I'm riding a bicycle. Anyways, you can keep this on hand with you. This stuff really does work. You get a flat, and you can put that in there and use your portable pump. You can get some of these pumps you can hook to your cigarette lighter. If you have a cigarette lighter, it'll hook up that way. And then also I have these that I like to keep in the little kit that I have, road safety kit. So now these here, you would actually take these. Let's bring this camera over this way. Sorry for the shaky camera work. These you would take and end up buying a couple more of these eventually. Let's try and figure out how to use these again now. It's been a while. Anyways, simply put up like that. Just like that. Set that up. Oh, sorry. So you would set this up here. Triangles like that. Okay. Unfortunately, in today's way people are driving now, whether they're gonna give the decency to actually stop, that's another question. That's kind of, yeah. Anyways, this is another one I would use. Take this and put this one back here like this. If you're on the road, put them like that. Set that up. Set that up. Just like that. I don't know if you can see that or not, how you would have those triangles set up, those safety triangles. And I'm buying a couple more down the road. Probably get them on Amazon because I think I got these ones on at Canadian Tire, I believe. Okay. Anyways, that's what I got. That's what I got. Okay. So again, these little safety triangles, everybody should have a little set of these. Okay, you can get them now where you can get the LED ones where they light up, where you plug them in and you charge them up. I might end up getting a couple of those on Amazon. And these you just collapse back down like that, turn this back, that, just like that, that. Alright, so that, and then what I like to do is take and put this, bear with me, shaky camera work. What I like to do is take this stuff, like this, put it in a tote. I mean, you can just leave it how you want in your trunk. I have a truck, so I put it in a tote. Put it in the back. Back up. That's the compressor. I've used this compressor a few times. Just at home, and we sit this in here like that. Put this in there if you want. I like to keep this separate because in the colder conditions you don't want this to freeze up, so I'd keep it when I bring it to bring it with me to work, and I keep it in my locker. And I put these in here. This safety triangles, and also you could put a pair of boots in there, extra pair of mitts. Even you could put a jacket in here or a blanket. As we're getting into this, pardon me for a sec, I gotta get the lid here. As we're getting into the colder time of the year now. Nice tote like that. And that's about it. But yeah, you don't have to put it in a tote like that. You can actually just put it in your vehicle if you want, in your trunk of your vehicle. It's up to you. Yeah, you just got it in a tote. This in the back. So yeah, this stuff here really does work. I've used it before and had other vehicles, older vehicles, the tire flat. And one thing, when you put this in, after if you bring your tire to be serviced at a repair shop, you're going to want to let the technician know that you put tire sealant in your tire. That way they know when they're servicing it. I don't know if this stuff's flammable. I think back in the day it used to be, and you really had to let the technician know when they were, before they're going to work on your tire, if you got a screw in it or a nail or whatever you got in it, some type of hole that they're going to plug. So just make sure you let the service technician that's servicing the tire, let them know that you're using, you got to put tire sealant in that tire. They'll appreciate that you told them that. Alright, I hope this helps you in this video. This is Resourceful Marcus. Thanks for watching this video. Signing off for now.